It's truck month. It is truck month. Month for the trucks. You could see these goofy guys with all their trucks. It's truck months. I like to buy a truck from my local truck dealership. It's truck month. No, before I used trucks, I was like, man, why are all these people buying trucks? But now that I have a truck, I understand. I understand the way of the trucker. It's truck month. It is truck month. Buy a truck from your local truck dealership. Hey, you, buy a truck. Do some work on your truck. Lift your truck. Buy some new truck parts. It is truck month. Look at all these goofy truck pictures. It's truck month. It is truck month. The month of the trucks. Every month is truck month in my household. If you know what I'm saying. It is time for trucks. It's truck month. Look at this truck. Isn't that funny? That is a truck month moment. Truck month. You guys ever heard of the truck month? This is a month made for trucks. It is truck month. It's truck month. Thanks for watching. This has been truck month.